Nice, that looks good. You did the install?
No, my buddy did. He
Okay.
did all the cars in this row right here.
Okay, nice.
Well, you'd help.
You helped, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Andrew, Machete SuperSport on a 2900.
Okay. Do you know what the box is tuned to?
32 hertz.
32? All right. Did you ever meter it?
No.
Yeah, okay. What type of electrical? Do you have any second battery or stock alt? Sorry, I just like to know everything. I do videos. Nice, that looks good. You did the install?
No, my buddy did. He
Okay.
did all the cars in this row right here.
Okay. Nice.
Well, you'd help.
You helped, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Does it do better doors open, close, windows down, up?
Doors closed, windows down.
Okay. All right. All right.
I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know, it's being slow. Might have to reset my phone.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Andrew's system. This was at the TD8 show in Virginia in 2021. Team Deadly Hertz. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. It's a solid single sub build in the back of his truck. I didn't get full specs on the enclosure and all of that. He did say he just got it built 2 days ago. Sub is pretty much brand new as well. So if you haven't already, given him a like. Definitely did a good job showcasing it. I like the way he has his amplifier layout staged on the right of his sub box. That way it's not mounted to the box. Didn't have to worry about as much vibration issues. As well as he does have an upgraded electrical system. I think he has a stock alternator, but he did do the big three and he had that Group 31 AGM you saw. So this is a 1300 watt RMS sub. The Machete Power Sport, or as I should say Super Sport, is the name of it. That's the magnet it looked like it was on their website on Alphard. So really beefy subwoofer. Maybe not the budgeted sub that they offer, but mid-class sub between low end and high end. So I see subwoofers anywhere from 500 watt RMS all the way to 3 to 4,000 watt RMS from them. If you notice, his 32 hertz port tune is right behind the passenger seat where I took this picture here. You could tell that the box was made for the enclosure. Didn't get the exact cubic size, but it's probably around 3.7 to 4 cubes net volume. Some people put their subwoofer and port up or forward, even back I've seen in trucks, but this seems to be the most optimal for this style system. If you're going for SPL, of course, you want the port going on the driver's side first, but he got the job done. So we're going to get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
One little sub, man. Appreciate it. It's a 15 though, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Smell a little bit. Were you clipping or just playing? You might be used to it, I don't know. So.
It was only 2 days old.
Oh, okay. Still breaking in then. Yeah. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome. Nice